Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by triaging power. Enable low power or battery saver now so the system throttles background activity. Next, drop display brightness to about 30% and turn off auto brightness because the screen is the biggest drain. Then, disable radios you aren't using, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and pause email/calendar push sync. Once done, close heavy apps from the app switcher and avoid streaming. These actions buy immediate time while you prepare the deeper diagnostic steps that follow. Next, identify the culprit by opening battery settings and scanning per app usage for the last 24 hours. Look for anything 10%. Force stop or uninstall any app that spikes usage, and restrict background activity or location access for borderline apps. Update the OS and apps because patches often fix leaks. Clear an app's cache where available. Finally, restart the phone to flush RAM and hung processes. These steps eliminate rogue software drains and stabilize battery behavior. To finish, check battery health in settings. If capacity is below roughly 80%, replacement is the long-term fix. If health looks okay but drain persists, boot into safe mode to see if the issue disappears. If it does, a third-party app is to blame. If safe mode doesn't help, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Quick troubleshooting tip. If problems continue after reset, test a new battery or professional diagnostic, because hardware failure may be the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.